Hello students, welcome to part 3 of the chapter Exponents and Powers for class 8. This is the formula board. I hope by now you have started remembering the formulas. Now let's start with the first problem. The first question is the value of 3 square plus 5 cube plus 15 square whole thing to the power 0 is dash. Now we know anything to the power 0 is 1. The formula a to the power 0 is 1, that is anything to the power 0 is 1. Since a to the power 0 is 1, therefore 3 square plus 5 cube plus 15 square to the power 0 is also 1. Question is simplify using laws of exponent. 240 into p to the power minus 8 divided by 8 to the power minus 2 into p to the power minus 4 into 2 to the power 8. Now let's see how we can put across 240 in terms of multiplication of some smaller numbers. So 240, we can write it as 2 to the power 4 into 15 into p to the power minus 8, and in the denominator we have, instead of 8 we are writing 2 cube to the power minus 2 into p to the power minus 4 into 2 to the power 8. So this will be equal to 2 to the power 4 into 15 into p to the power minus 8 minus of minus 4. Since down we have p to the power minus 4, and we know p to the power m by p to the power n is p to the power m minus n. That's why we are writing minus 8 minus of minus 4. This is the formula which we are using here. A to the power m by a to the power n equal a to the power m minus n. Next we have here 3 into minus 2 is minus 6 into 2 to the power 8. So 2 to the power 4 is there in the numerator, and in the denominator we have 2 to the power minus 6 into 2 to the power 8. Same here, when we divide we just subtract the powers. Same formula, a to the power m by a to the power n equal a to the power m minus n. So here it will be 2 to the power 4 minus of minus 6 and minus of 8 into 15 into p to the power, if you do the calculation, it's minus 8 plus 4, which is minus of 4, and down is simply 1. So if you do the calculation, you get 2 to the power 2 into 15 into p to the power minus 4 divided by 1. P to the power minus 4 is 1 by p to the power 4. So numerator will be 4 into 15, which is 60, and down denominator will be p to the power 4. Or you can simply write the answer as 60 into p to the power minus 4. This is the answer. Next question is evaluate 1 by 4 to the power minus 2 plus half to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 to the power minus 2. What is the formula which we are going to use here? We are going to use the formula a to the power minus m equal to 1 by a to the power m. This is the formula which we are going to use. So it will be 1 by 4 whole thing square plus 1 by 2 whole thing squared plus 1 by 3 whole thing square. So what is 1 by 4 whole thing square? This 4 square will go up. So ultimately we will get only 4 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. So simply do the calculation. 4 square is 16, 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. So this gives the answer of 29. So students, this is the end of part 3 of our series for the chapter Exponents and Powers. I will be back with some more problems for this chapter. Till then, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you for watching.